It's Rachel with Roof Armour. We get asked a lot what kind of roof coatings they should be putting on their roofs. We actually sell do-it-yourself RV kits. The difference between our kits or our products and other people's that are more readily accessible, such as what you can buy at Canadian Tire, hardware stores and such, like this leak seal. They put a lot into their promotion. I'm sure you've seen the truck that drives into the water. You would need about 50,000 cans of this to coat your truck before you drove it into the water. I don't know if I'd actually drive into the water, considering it's really not waterproof. This sample is 6 months old, but this is exactly what it looked like after 2 weeks. It dries and it chalks, and you can see here it's all cracked out. This is what it's going to look like on the top of your roof if you try and use it to seal up a leak. Not exactly waterproof. Even though it says flexible rubber sealant on the can, I would say it's not flexible, it's pulled away from the edges. This is not what I would recommend. Another common product that we see on shelves at RV dealers is this, the Hangs Roof Coat. You can also buy this stuff on Amazon if you don't mind paying $55 for this little bit of sealer. It's a top coat only. It's not a kit. Ours comes with a complete kit. And as you can see here, it's made of only 40% solids, so it's going to shrink. So what you put on is not what you get. It's kind of like bacon. When you cook it, it shrinks down and you're left with only a little bit of meat. Well, that's the same thing with this coating and most water-based coatings. As soon as the water evaporates out of a water-based coating, you're left with only what the percentage of solids is. So when you're looking for an RV coating, look at what the solids are. So this is ours here. And as I was mentioning the solid, ours is made of 99% solids. It's also not water-based, so it won't break down, chalk, fade, or lose its flexibility by being out in the sun or by being in rainstorms. Ours is actually moisture cure, so if you put this on your roof and 4 hours later it has a little rainstorm or there's dew overnight, it's actually moisture cure. So that means it's going to cure it faster. But just because it's cured does not mean that it loses its flexibility. When you're on your RV, you want your coating to be flexible. It's going to twist and bend a lot, considering how much travel you're going to do with your RV. If you're able to feel this, you'll be able to feel that it's still spongy, it's soft to the touch, but yet it's flexible enough that it's going to be able to handle whatever you throw at it. All these samples are all equally 6 months old. They were poured on the same day. Leak seal, we used 2 cans for that sample. For this Hanes here, that was 1, and for this here is 1 pint from Roof Armour. This is a fraction of the cost of what you'd pay anywhere else, but with our kits, you're going to get a whole lot more.